Welcome to Uphold Crypto Investment Platform, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at the features of Uphold, a versatile crypto investment platform that caters to both beginners and experienced traders. Uphold allows you to buy, sell, and hold a variety of cryptocurrencies, as well as traditional assets like gold and fiat currencies, all in one platform. What sets Uphold apart is its user-friendly interface and its ability to integrate cryptocurrencies with traditional financial instruments. This makes it ideal for users who want to diversify their investment portfolios across multiple asset types with ease. One of the platform's standout features is its anything-to-anything exchange, which enables seamless conversions between different cryptocurrencies, fiat currencies, and even precious metals. This flexibility is perfect for anyone who wants to easily switch between assets without incurring high fees. Uphold's security measures are also robust, featuring two-factor authentication, 2FA, biometric logins, and encryption, ensuring that your investments are safe. The platform is also fully regulated in several regions, including the US, which adds a layer of trustworthiness for users who prioritize compliance. Another key feature is Uphold's mobile app, which offers all the functionality of the desktop platform, allowing you to manage your investments on the go. The app's clean design and responsive features make trading convenient for anyone, whether you're at home or traveling. Uphold also offers real-time price tracking, which is vital for crypto traders who need up-to-the-minute information to make informed decisions. Their recurring buy feature is particularly useful for long-term investors who want to automate their investment strategy and steadily build their portfolio over time. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, alongside smaller altcoins. However, it is important to note that Uphold's transaction fees can be slightly higher compared to other platforms, especially when converting between different types of assets. Still, for those who prioritize convenience, security, and a broad range of assets in one place, Uphold provides great value. Overall, Uphold is a solid choice for anyone looking to invest in cryptocurrencies or diversify their portfolio with traditional financial assets. Its ease of use, security features, and versatility make it a great option for both novice and advanced investors.